Today we're going to make an Oleo Saccarum. We're going to start off by peeling 10 lemons into a pot. We're going to add 350 grams of caster sugar to the lemon zests. Then by using a muddler, we're just going to grind the sugar into the zest of the lemon. So whilst we wait for the oils to extract from the lemon zests, we're going to juice the lemons, and then we can add that juice back to it later on. Okay, so lemon squeezed, sugar dissolving, oils extracting. We're going to put this to one side and come back to it later when all the oils are showing. We can add that lemon juice to the Oleo Saccarum. So now the lemon peels have extracted their oils like so. We can add the lemon juice that we squeezed before to the mix and dissolve the last little bits of sugar. And there we have it, our Oleo Saccarum.